I'm Corey from the For Giving team. Today I'm going to show you how to use the friendly team fundraising mode for your campaign. What you're going to see here on your screen is a campaign with multiple different team members, and as you can see on the campaign page, it is being publicly displayed how much each team member has raised and from how many different donors. Now we could turn those analytics off and just not have them be displayed publicly. So let's jump over to our admin dashboard and click on team and then click on settings, and you will see the option for friendly mode. If we toggle that on and click save and come back to our campaign dashboard, campaign page, and refresh the page, you will see that those numbers have since been hidden publicly. Again, they're still being tracked on the back end in the admin dashboard, but publicly they're just not being displayed. Of course, if you have any questions, you can click on the orange button in the lower right-hand corner, and that gives you instant support.